Okay, I'm inside the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. All right, and currently, I give myself some data. All right, so the column heading is here. All right, A, B, C. You can give it any name, and I have some region and pretend that this is just some data relating to quantity, or it could be relating to sales. All right. So once I have the data sorted in column, you can also do this in row, but I usually do it in column. Right? Is that you look under the data. Right? If it's not under the data, just go into the data tab, and you will find this over here, right? Which is your outline. They come under the outline, under the data, under the uh, outline. Okay, what I will usually do is, of course, you can do group, okay, but I usually take a shortcut. Is I do a subtotal. Okay, so to calculate the subtotal, and I would okay one. How do I want my subtotal? Based on column A, column B, and column C. So maybe I can play around with this. Okay, column A, and usually subtotal is sum. All right. Then I want to have a total on what? Okay, so maybe column B and C. Okay, so summary belong to data. Do I want to replace current subtotal? Well, anyway, I don't have any subtotal. Or do I want to have page break, which I do not want at this moment? Okay, so play around with these properties inside here under the subtotal, and I will click the OK. Now, okay, let me just make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. So now I actually have a subtotal of this. So, okay, subtotal 5, subtotal 4, and total over here. Then, of course, I have, because I select by column A, then subtotal of 6, all right, subtotal of 5, then 6 and 5, I make 11. But what you see here is the group is automatically created. See? The groups are automatically created here at the site, which I can just uh, expand or collapse and make the report or make my screen easier to read. Okay, so this is how you can manually group. You can, all right, you can manually group it. Okay, or you can subtotal, and then later on the group will be created for you. All right. So, okay, make use of these small little data tools inside your Excel spreadsheet.